Hello all, welcome to my new video. And today in this video I'm going to teach you how to rename a hard drive, or simply how to rename a hard drive partition. And in the similar way we can rename the other USB storage devices also. Okay, and it's quite easy. And for this, simply you need to go this PC and then if I want to rename this partition movies, okay, just simply right click on it and there you have a rename. Okay, in this way you can rename, or we have another shortcut. Just first click on it and after a second delay or 2-second delay again click on it and you can rename. Okay, I want to rename this, let's say movies to films. Okay, it will ask for the permission. Click on continue. And now in this way this partition has been renamed to films, and before it was movies. Okay, in this way you can rename the other folders also and other USB storage devices also. It's quite easy. And this much for today. I hope you like this video, and if so, please like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Please guys, help me grow this channel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.